Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Gusto benefits card. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on benefits. And in here, you will be redirected to the benefits page where you can see various benefits that you can choose from and activate. Now click on the benefit. So say for example, we want to activate our health benefits. So just click on this. Then next is click on the learn more button. Now depending on the benefit that you chose, you're going to need to do some tasks or answer some questions or fill out details. So in this example, we chose health benefits. So first we are asked where we're located. So from here, we're going to add our addresses. And once you've provided all the details being asked, that specific Gusto benefit will then be activated. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!